What if your garden could stay colorful and blooming, not for days, but for weeks? While most flowers fade fast, these 32 long-lasting blooms are here to prove otherwise. Whether you want vibrant borders, pollinator-friendly beds, or showy cut flowers that won't wilt the next morning, this list has you covered. We've gathered the toughest, most beautiful flowers that last far longer than you'd expect. Some even hold their color for up to 3 months. Ready to build a garden that truly sticks around? Let's get into it. Orchids aren't just stunning, they're impressively long-lasting too. With the right care, their blooms can stay fresh for up to 4 months, making them one of the longest-lasting flowers you can grow. Flamingo Lily, with its shiny red blooms and waxy texture, lasts nearly a month. These tropical beauties also thrive indoors or in shaded corners in your yard. Sugar bushes may not bloom all year, but when they do, their flowers can hold strong for up to 3 weeks. Plus, they're hardy and drought-tolerant, a win-win. Bird of Paradise looks like a tropical bird mid-flight, and its bold flowers stay fresh for 2 weeks or more. It brings an exotic look to any landscape. Crown of Thorns doesn't just survive in dry weather, it thrives. With vivid red blooms that last up to 14 days, it's a bold, spiky stunner. These Peruvian lilies are the secret to long-lasting bouquets. Their cut flowers can hold up for 2 to 3 weeks and come in almost every color imaginable. Camellias bloom in cooler months and offer soft rose-like petals that stay open for 10 to 14 days. They're perfect for subtropical gardens. Peonies bloom in late spring and gift your garden with lush, fragrant flowers. Though each bloom lasts about a week, the show goes on with multiple buds. Chrysanthemums are the reliable late-season workhorse, blooming from late summer through fall with flowers that stay perfect for 2 to 3 weeks. Also known as red-hot poker, the torch lily sends up fiery blooms that attract hummingbirds and last for weeks when kept well-watered. Dahlias love sun and well-drained soil and reward you with gorgeous blooms that last about 7 to 12 days in the garden or in a vase. Gazanias are daisy-like blooms that love heat and sun. They hold their color for over a week and keep blooming all summer long. Bromeliad, a tropical beauty, blooms for up to 3 weeks straight. Its bold structure and splashy color make it a standout in containers or garden beds. Cone bushes offer cone-shaped blooms in fiery hues. They're low-maintenance shrubs with a 2-week bloom span and great structural appeal. Calla lilies are graceful and elegant, with trumpet-like blooms that stay fresh for 2 weeks and make incredible cut flowers. Plumeria, these sweet-smelling blooms last over a week. They're small trees that thrive in warm climates and bloom generously. Whirling butterfly is an airy plant that lives up to its name with delicate blooms that flutter in the breeze and last up to 10 days on the plant. Sea lavender is a florist's favorite because it doesn't fade fast, even when cut. Its blooms hold up for up to 2 weeks and dry beautifully. Blanket flowers bring non-stop color to dry gardens and can last for up to 2 weeks. Their daisy-like petals are bold and bright. Flame lily vines bring red and yellow flames of color to your garden. Each bloom can last about 10 days and is totally unforgettable. Yucca sends up towering spikes covered in white blooms. Each flower lasts a week, and the entire spike stays showy for even longer. Lavender is prized not just for scent, but also for endurance. Its flower spikes hold for over a week and dry into fragrant bundles. Kaffir lily has bold orange blooms that thrive in shade and last up to 2 weeks, even longer in cool conditions. Peace lily is the go-to plant for long-lasting indoor flowers. Its elegant white blooms last up to 2 weeks, and the plant thrives in low light. Hydrangeas offer massive showy clusters that last 3 to 4 weeks in the garden and make excellent cut flowers too. Wax begonia is the workhorse of flower beds. It can bloom non-stop for months, with each flower lasting 10 to 14 days. Globe thistle has a spiky metallic look and lasts for weeks, even in hot, dry climates. Pollinators love them too. Sea holly's spiny blooms look like something out of a fantasy novel, and they hold their color for over a week in sun-drenched gardens. Fuchsia dangles like mini chandeliers in rich dual tones. The blooms last for up to 24 days and are excellent in hanging baskets. Delphiniums produce vertical spikes of royal blue and purple blooms that stay vibrant for 7 to 10 days with the right care. Cranesbill, a tough little perennial that keeps blooming all summer with flowers that can last for over 2 weeks per round. Great in borders or rock gardens. Sunflowers may take time to bloom, but once they open, they stay golden and firm for up to 3 weeks, sometimes even a month. Now, you don't have to settle for short-lived color in your garden. These flowers go the extra mile, not just looking good, but lasting long. If you enjoyed this list, tap like, hit subscribe, and share it with fellow flower lovers. More long-blooming garden ideas are just a click away.